Hello everyone, have a nice weekend everyone. This is my makeup look that I have tried on Chanel eyeshadow in new collection in spring 2023. Okay, let's watch till the end. And firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mandy. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm just a normal user, same as you all. Okay, same as usual that I will apply skincare routine for my makeup preparation, following by firstly apply balancer all over my face, also all over my neck. Then continue to eye area by chlorine eye double serum. This chlorine eye double serum are very lightweight and easy to absorb well on my eye area, and I feel convenient to using this. Apply it in the morning in my morning skincare routine before makeup, and also I think it's very good to include in my night skincare routine. And this is my first impression that I try on to use this chlorine eye double serum just around 1 week. Okay, after eye area, then I continue to face area by apply chlorine double face serum. Okay, they mention chlorine double serum, but this is for face. And it is in light texture that they just released in 2023. And I think this is in oil formula. I feel a bit oily. Okay, then I continue to moisturizer on my face by chlorine beauty flash balm, and I use it as my makeup base. Then continue to lip area by Dior Addict Lip Glow to moisture on my lip area before makeup. Okay, now I have finished my makeup preparation. Then continue to makeup routine. Okay, this is Dior Forever Skin Wear as my makeup base before foundation. I use this Dior Forever Skin Wear instead of my sun cream because I don't apply sun cream in my morning skincare routine. Okay, after apply Dior Forever Skin Wear as my makeup base, then continue to apply foundation by Dior Forever Foundation in Matte Formula. And I will use Real Technique sponge to blending foundation on my face. But before blending, I spray on setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury setting spray to spray on Real Technique sponge. Make it more a bit wet or a bit moisture that will easy to blending as per experience. I have oily skin types that will make my makeup look a bit oily in around afternoon. So Dior Forever foundation in matte formula is my favorite. This is Dior Forever cushion powder, and this is the loose powder type that yes they just include cushion. Normally we saw cushion foundation. Yeah, but this one is cushion powder. It contains loose powder. Then I will apply this cushion loose powder with powder brush by Ombreolist brand. As per my experience, I think these Ombreolist brush are very convenient to apply with loose powder type. Their brushes are very soft with kabuki brush type. Okay, after face powder, then continue to face contour. I contouring my face with NARS bronzing powder in color Laguna and apply it with NARS brush. This color Laguna are very well matched with my skin tone. And I also use this NARS bronzing powder in color Laguna for my nose contour and apply it with Real Technique brush in code 402. Okay, then continue to eye area by firstly I do eyeshadow makeup. And this is Chanel eyeshadow palette in color Delights 68, the new collection in 2023, spring collection in 2023. They have 4 color inside this eyeshadow palette. They have 2 medium color, 1 dark color, and 1 light color. The 1 light color as per this video are in the golden shading to light green one, and the dark color is in dark brown color, and another two medium are medium in purple color and medium in brown color. Okay, then let's play with this eyeshadow palette. By firstly, I already applied the medium color in medium brown shading to yellow, and then I will contour with different color. One side I will contour with the medium purple color, and another side I will contour with the dark color in brown. Then I will highlight the same color of the light color in this eyeshadow palette in the middle of both eyelids. Okay, in summary, that means that I use the same color base in medium brown color. Then I just contour the different color between the medium purple and dark brown color, and use the same highlighter in the middle of both eyelids in light color. Okay, after I finish my upper eyeshadow makeup, then I continue to draw eyeliner or eye makeup on my lower eyelid. And same as usual, that I use two color in eyeshadow palette. One is the dark color one, and other one is the light color. I apply the dark color around my outer corner of my lower eyelid to the middle of my lower eyelid. Then another light color one start apply from my inner corner of my lower eyelid to the middle of my lower eyelid. Okay, now I have finished my eyeshadow makeup. Then I will apply highlighter, and I use my favorite golden color in this Dior eyeshadow 5 color contour in color Cosmic Eye, and I choose only the golden color to apply as my highlighter. Okay, after highlighter, then I will draw eyebrow, but I don't have eyebrow pencil. It's out of my stock now, so I just use whatever that I can use. Okay, now I use eyebrow brush to bring the dark color in this Dior 5 color contour in color Cosmic Eye. I choose the dark gray color one, apply with eyebrow brush, and start drawing on my eyebrow. Same as for this video, everyone. Actually, I can draw it and use it for occasionally, but not every day, because I think the color on this eyeshadow palette for my eyebrow are not very much with my hair color or my overall makeup look. You can see in this video. Okay, this is Gucci powder blush in color radiant pink, and I will apply it on my cheek with the big round highlighter brush. Okay, this radiant pink from Gucci are very pink natural blusher makeup look. This Gucci blusher are in powder type. Okay, then my cheek or my blusher overall look will be in matte finish makeup look. And you can see in this video, I have reapplied this blusher on my cheek again and again with this big round highlighter brush. Okay, now my eye makeup area not yet finished. I still missing eyelash area. Okay, by firstly, I curly my eyelash first before apply eyelash primer, then continue to mascara. I like to use this Dior Overcurl mascara for my mascara step because they are very convenient to apply on my eyelash, especially their Overcurl mascara brush that make me convenient to apply, and the mascara itself also lasts long whole day for my makeup look. Okay, now I will curly my hair with this curling machine. Okay, I want my finished makeup look like pink blossom with curly hair, something like that. Okay, after I have done my hair with this curling machine, then I need to spray on the hair sprayer to keep my curly hair last long with this Moroccan oil setting spray, and I choose the code medium. Okay, then this is my final curly hair. Okay, I like curly hair everyone, and yep, I cannot curly every day because we will hitting our hair every day, just sometime only. Okay, now I will add on lip color on my lip to finish my makeup look. Okay, this is Dior Velvet Formula in color 999. This lipstick are in red color in Velvet Formula from Dior. Okay, now I have done my makeup and this is my final makeup look. And how do you think everyone about this makeup look by Chanel eyeshadow palette in color Delights, the new holiday collection in 2023, the spring collection in 2023. And this is the end of my video. Thanks everyone for watching my video until the end, and thanks for subscribe my channel too. Bye bye.